Hello everyone. Today we will be creating this clipboard animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's jump in. As you can see here guys, I have created 3 files, one for JavaScript, one for HTML, one for CSS. Then I have taken a picture. Yes. Yeah. Now let's start out by coding our HTML. First give a shift, exclamation tab. This document. Click box. Link this. New class of container. Yeah. Now let's close it and then now what we are going to do is this. Now we are going to make our script type. So we are going to type our JavaScript. Script and the source. The app.js. So this is it for our HTML. Now let's go for our theme. To the selector, curly brackets, margin of 0 and padding of 0. Okay. And we are going to have a box size. Box sizing is going to be border box. We are going to have a font size. Sans serif. It's going to be we are going to enter it. Now the body. Background color. Yeah. And this is for body tag. Background color, just the background. And we are going to have a last CSS file. It's going to be container selector. Body. Position is going to be always active. We are going to have a width of 100%. We are going to have height of 100 width. And we are going to have a background color. No, sorry, background URL where we are going to do our image here. Now my image is so and we are going to have no repeat. No repeat is going to be set. Then we are going to have enter. The background file. background size is going to be cover. Okay, now we're going to have a clipboard. Clipboard is going to be circle guys. 200 pixels. Left, bar, dash 1. Another one is going to be down space here, bar, dash 2. This is for our CSS. CSS is finished. Now we are going to our JavaScript. JavaScript, first we have a net. Post equal document dot document. Okay. Now we're going to have a document element here. Right. Now we're going to have a enter one time. And we're going to have our post dot add event listener. Purpose is going to be mouse point. Mouse move. Mouse move. Now we are going to come on. What is simple? The equal. And then we have this. Now, inside the curve box we have to have a post here. Dot style. Dot set property. Dash 1. Nice. Now here, comma e. Now we're going to have e dot client x. Now our class here. Space. Plus. Space. And we are going to close it with this. Yeah. So that is it. Yeah. Copy this. Yeah. Now what we are going to do is this. We are going to x value is equal to y value. Y, the number is going to be 2. That's what we have net. Now it's not 4. We have our curly brackets and error, and we are going to close it. Yeah. So this is for JavaScript. We have done CSS and HTML. So we'll see our final outcome of this project. Okay, now as you can see here, we have completed this project and we have got this nice part animation. Move the mouse, circle move, see part by part image. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.